Okay, now let's install the Raspbian OS to Raspberry Pi. So remove the SD card from the SD card reader and just plug this micro SD card into the SD card slot in Raspberry Pi Zero. So it's here. So like this, you can connect the micro SD card. So this is mini computer, and actually this card is kind of like a hard drive. So all the operating system will be stored in this SD card, and computer will read the data from micro SD card. So this makes computer. So let's turn this computer on. First, you need to connect this to your TV. So this is computer. So computer need monitor, but Raspberry Pi use your TV as a monitor. So TV has HDMI cable. So you have to connect this HDMI cable from your TV to your Raspberry Pi. But you need this adapter. So because this is regular HDMI port, and the other side is mini HDMI cable. So you need this converter. So let's plug this here like this. Then you can connect your TV here. Then you have to put the power, and as you can see, there are two micro USB port here, and you can simply use a 5-volt micro USB adapter. I think it's okay to use your smartphone charger. So smartphone charger is also providing 5-volt USB. So you can use your smartphone charger. Okay, let's do this. Also, you need this regular USB to micro USB converter, so that you can connect your keyboard and mouse through this USB interface. So let's connect this as well. And if you closely look at the PCB, the left one says USB, while right one says power. So I will connect my smartphone charger to this port, and to this port I will connect my keyboard and mouse. Okay, like this. So TV will be connected here, keyboard and mouse will be connected here. This is my power source. Okay, this is my wireless keyboard and mouse set. With this one USB dongle, I can connect this wireless keyboard and wireless mouse at the same time. So this is Logitech's wireless keyboard and mouse set. Good thing about this is I can use keyboard and mouse with just one USB dongle. So I will plug this to here so that I can use my keyboard and mouse. Okay, I just connected my keyboard and mouse. Let's turn it on. Okay, I just connected my cell phone charger. So this is my power, and this is my HDMI cable, and this will be connected to my TV. So once I plug this charger to plug, then the system will be automatically turned on and will start the installation. I will continue this in next video.